Man-Portable Anti-Tank Guided Missile, MPATGM. DRDO successfully test-fired indigenously developed, low-weight, fire-and-forget man-portable anti-tank guided missile, MPATGM, for the second time in the ranges of Rajasthan Desert. MPATGM is incorporated with advanced features including state-of-the-art imaging infrared radar, IIR, seeker with integrated avionics. Fitted with a high-explosive anti-tank, HEAT, warhead, the MPATGM reportedly boasts a top attack capability and has a maximum engagement range of about 2.5 kilometers. This low-weight MPATGM will complement the Spike anti-tank guided missile to be procured from Israel.